Did you know that when you rub your eyes, you're not actually seeing stars in space? The phenomenon is called phosphenes, which are brief visual sensations that appear when you press, rub, or move your eyes. But why does it happen? It's because of the way our brains react to stimulation. When you rub your eyes, you're applying pressure to the retina, which is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. This pressure causes tiny electrical impulses to be sent to the brain, which then interprets them as light or visual patterns. It's a bit like when you see a bright flash of light when you're taking a photograph. It's just your brain processing the electrical signals. But here's the really cool part: phosphenes aren't just limited to rubbing your eyes. They can also be triggered by other types of stimulation, like pressure on the eyes, vibrations, or even the brain itself. In fact, researchers have used phosphenes to create a type of virtual reality headset that allows users to see and interact with virtual objects in 3D. So the next time you rub your eyes and see stars, remember that it's not actually the stars in the sky. It's just your brain's creative interpretation of electrical signals. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll be using phosphenes to create the next generation of virtual reality experiences. A close-up shot of a person's eye, with a bright light shining into it. The light is harsh and intense, and it creates a small shadow on the person's face. The color palette is bright and bold, with a slight blue undertone. The lighting is high contrast, with a sharp focus on the eye. The person's face is relaxed, and they're not looking directly at the camera. A wide shot of a person's brain, with electrical impulses sparking across its surface. The brain is a deep, rich brown color, and the electrical impulses are bright and colorful. The lighting is soft and gentle, with a slight warm glow. The color palette is complex and dynamic, with a mix of